it's time to say goodbye to the GT. Bev Roth is the winner of it. She's coming to pick it up here in just a minute. So it's the last day. Bye-bye, GT. You've been good. All right, we're giving the helmet away today. Rob's coming to pick it up right now. So maybe he will actually get used, Mr. Helmet. Have a good life. Right? Ready? Yeah. Yeah.
I want to take a look at it one more time.
Yeah. Oh, is this one right here?
That's it. Here's the line, yeah.
I mean, I would say to the left, but then
oh,
you have to.
No, I got it, dude. I see it. That's not. Yeah, probably a little bit to the left there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back and just a little run into it with the little.
Yeah, easy enough.
You guys start down. Sorry to interrupt your lunch, but you guys enjoy.